Android users, do you know you can touch this your camera icon to take a screenshot just by touching it once? You see that? And you can double tap it just to turn on your camera. Do you see that? And you can also just long press it to turn on your backlight this way. Now, let me take you and show you how to do that.
Open your Play Store and download this app. This is a particular one you need to download. Open it after installing it on your phone. It will open. You can customize it by adding it to the side button on your phone. Now, come to this interface after enable it or giving it permission to your phone. What you need to do is just to check this single touch. You see, just touch the single touch. Now, you select the app you want to be on single touch by clicking on screenshot. If you want to be taking screenshot by touching on that camera, you can see double touch. Just click on it this way and select the particular app you want to be using there. Anything you want to be doing, just select it. You can see I select open camera. Anyone you want to be showing there, just select it. And the third option is long touch for touch. Anyone you want to use there, you can just select it by clicking on this to take you to where you have all these options. Okay, you can decide to off your phone by putting off or volume it by touching the volume this way. You see volume menu, you can see it. All these are pro. You can't use this one unless you pay for it. You can use it and you can decide to change it. There are so many things which this app can do for you, but in my next video I'll be explaining a lot of things that this app can do. This app will blow your mind. Share this for others to benefit.